Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to show you how to make the crispy fried chicken. So this is a chicken breast, and I show you how to marinate. So step 1, I adding 1/4 teaspoon of nor chicken, and then next I adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then next I adding 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and then 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. So now next let's mix them together. So just do like this. It is super easy and so delicious. Next step, let's crack the 2 eggs. And we'll mix them. So after you do this, and let's add over the chicken. Just do like this, and then mix them all together. Okay guys, next step. So let's start to put the chicken over the flour.
So just do like this.
Okay guys, look at the chicken. It's already cooked. You see, it looks delicious. You see. you go. Look at this. Wow, it looks delicious. Here you go, guys. Here is my crispy fried